All right, this says simplify the following expression completely. So remember, an expression does not have an equal sign. So when we're simplifying an expression, all that we need to do is we need to combine our like terms. So here, if we look, 4x and 3x would be like terms because they have the same variable. 8 and 7, these would be like terms because they're both constants. So remember, terms with no variable, we call those constants. So here, now we're going to add together our like terms. So 4x plus 3x, that's going to give us 7x. 8 plus 7 is 15. So now we have 7x plus 15. Now we are done. We've completely simplified this expression because if we look, 7x plus 15, we don't have any more like terms. Now we want to evaluate the following expression for x equals 2. So our expression is 4x plus 8 plus 3x plus 7. So when we want to evaluate for x equals 2, that means everywhere we see an x, we need to substitute in a 2. Remember, when you substitute a number into an expression, you want to substitute it in parentheses. So this is going to turn into 4 times 2, because see, we took this x, we replaced it with a 2, plus 8, plus 3 times 2, because this x here we need to replace with a 2, plus 7. So we took our expression, we're evaluating it for x equals 2. So everywhere we see an x, we substitute in a 2. Now, all you need to do is take this expression here, and you want to type it in Desmos. So you can type this entire thing in, making sure to include the parentheses to show where you substituted that to. When we type that in, we get that the expression when we evaluate the expression for x equals 2 and type this in Desmos, we get that the expression is equivalent to 29. How many terms are in the expression below? Oh, I forgot to cover up the answer here. So let's look at it. 4x plus 8 plus 3x plus 7. So remember, terms are separated by addition and subtraction signs. So if we look here and we count, 4x is a term, 8 is a term, 3x is a term, 7 is a term. They're all separated by, in this case, addition signs. So we have 4 terms in this expression. All right, now this problem says use the distributive property, so that's a vocabulary word here. We need to know what the distributive property is to simplify -2 times the quantity x minus 2. So when we use the distributive property, remember we are multiplying. So when you distribute, you multiply the number outside the parentheses. So in this case, we're taking that -2 and we're distributing it or multiplying it by all terms inside the parentheses. So we need to take this -2 and we need to multiply it by x. When we do that, we get -2x. We also need to take the -2 and multiply it by this -2 because we want to multiply by both terms inside the parentheses. So -2 times -2 is +4. So when we use the distributive property, this simplifies to -2x plus 4. We're done simplifying it because there are no more like terms. There's nothing else we can combine. We've used the distributive property, and now we're done.